MakeGood.ca has a recipe for top choice white bread. It's a great way to start your bread baking journey. Now let's talk yeast, specifically quick rise and traditional. Quick rise yeast granules don't need to be dissolved first. They can be added directly to your dry ingredients, unlike traditional. Recipes that call for quick rise yeast are a little bit easier because they only require one rest and one rise. So let's bake some bread. Mix your ingredients together to form a dough. Knead it for 8 to 10 minutes, and then let it rest for 10. Then divide the dough in half, roll it into tight logs, and add to greased loaf pans and let it rise until it doubled in size. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And now you've got 2 beautiful loaves of delicious bread. If you make it at home, I want to see it. Post a picture and tag me at Colin Asuncion and tag at MakeGoodCanada. So what are you waiting for? Let's get some lovin' in your oven.